Can you use mobility aids easily to travel nice? Imagine exploring the bright lights and busy streets of New York City without worry about your mobility aids. The city has made many strides to make travel easier for everyone. Public buses are fully wheelchair accessible. They have ramps and designated spots to secure wheelchairs, and drivers are trained to help. This makes buses a dependable choice for many travelers with mobility challenges. Keep in mind, buses can be slow because of traffic, so plan accordingly if you're in a hurry. The subway system is a bit more complicated. Many stations still lack elevators or ramps, which can make using a wheelchair or walker difficult. However, some stations do have elevators, and ongoing work is adding more ADA-compliant lifts and ramps. It's best to check the Metropolitan Transportation Authority website or use their accessibility map before planning your route. This way, you can find stations with elevators or plan routes that avoid inaccessible stations. If the subway isn't suitable, New York City offers Access a Ride. This is a paratransit service that provides door-to-door rides for eligible people with disabilities. You need to apply and schedule your trips in advance. It's a helpful option for those who can't use buses or subways easily. Taxis and ride-hailing services like Uber and Lyft also offer wheelchair-accessible vehicles. These can be booked ahead of time through programs like the Citywide Accessible Dispatch. Not all taxis are wheelchair accessible, so booking in advance ensures you get a vehicle that fits your needs. Drivers are trained to assist with getting in and out of the vehicle, making your trip smoother. Ferries and tourist buses, including hop-on hop-off tours, are also accessible. They provide additional ways to see the city without worrying about transportation barriers. While New York City has many options for travelers using mobility aids, planning ahead is key. Check accessibility maps, book accessible taxis early, and use apps to find the best routes. The city is working to improve its infrastructure, but some older subway stations still pose challenges. With a little preparation, you can enjoy your visit comfortably and confidently.